Hello, this is Gio, and hey, look what I have today. I have a little master lock combination lock. It's a 3-digit lock. These are pretty cheap. I think I got this one for $5 or $6. They can be fairly useful. You can stick them on luggage or little cabinets or what have you. There's lots of little uses for these tiny locks. And the cool thing about these locks is you can actually set your own combination. And I will show you how to do that today. So this particular lock is the Master Lock 630D lock. Now if you don't have this particular lock, you might try this technique, but it may or may not work. If it doesn't, then just kind of do more research, check out another video for your particular lock. So this is the Master Lock 630D. Now again, this is just to reset the lock. If you forget the original 3-digit combination, well, you're sort of out of luck. You're just going to have to try your luck with a whole bunch of combinations. So this is, if you know it, you can reset it using this method. Now when you first get this lock, it is usually set to a code 100. Now the 1 is just there just to keep it locked. It's actually the code it comes with is the 000, and so you can see it just opens up just like that. Now to reset this, it's pretty easy. Now if you look right here, it has a little stub piece of metal right there that's kind of sticking out. Hopefully you can all see that. And if you kind of turn it around and look at this ring portion, you'll see that right about here there's a little notch right inside the ring. It is not anywhere else. You can see there. So it's just on this side, kind of 90 degrees, basically from the end. And as you turn this 90 degrees, so this little rod piece there can fit in there. And there's a little bit of a spring right like that. And this is how you're going to reset it. Now it is set to 000. And at 000, I can press this down. If it was back to 1, I couldn't really set it in because it's not really meant to lock in. So you have to keep it at the combination, the original combination, to do this, to start with. So I rotate it 90 degrees. I press it down, keeping it down. So I'm putting tension on that little spring here. So I keep it down. And now I could change the combination. So if I could do 1, I'll just go to 2, and I'll do 3. So the new combination will be 1, 2, 3. And then I lift up. And that's all you have to do. It's set. So when I rotate it, I could put it down now, and I'll just move that 1, and it's locked. Now to unlock it, I just bring it back to the 1, 2, 3, and it's unlocked. Now the interesting thing about these little locks, if I change the combination there and try to push it down, it won't push down. You really need it to be at the combination before you lock it, and then you basically change the combination, and then it's locked. So that's how it's done, and I'll quickly do it again. Back to 000. So I set it to 1, 2, 3, the current lock. I open it up, I rotate it 90 degrees. I depress it on the spring, kind of holding it down, and then I'll bring it back to the 000, like that. I lift up, and now it's locked again, 000. So I hope this video helped you out, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.